Buenos dias, everybody. We are we are in Santiago.
We're actually up and about one.
Yep, we're up and about.
I questioned not doing it.
We are trying to go to a walking tour just to do something in Santiago. This is our hostel, by the way. Look how cool it is. Oh my god, I've got 1 bar battery, so it's gonna be a great day. Lol.
Oh.
Huh.
Aims.
We're gonna go on a walking tour, and then we're gonna go shopping because I need to get some leggings and stuff. And then go for dinner probably.
Yep.
And then tomorrow morning we fly to Calamar to go to San Pedro, to Atacama Desert. So this is kind of like our last chill day, because from here on out it's kind of non-stop because we've got the Atacama Desert.
It's gonna be like full blown like
backpacking.
Instagram photos, fucking left, right, center.
Adventure time, yeah. Because we've got Atacama Desert, Salt Flats, La Paz, Death Road, Lake Titicaca, and then we're in Cusco for Machu Picchu, and then again it's non-stop, so I'm excited. I feel positive about the next few weeks. So yeah, where's Walito? We're in the fish market on our walking tour. Hannah's frothing because she wants to eat some fish. So they all look gross to me. But it looks cool. Apparently we are where all the locals eat rather than the tourists. But there's lots of markets on this walking tour today. Oh, we're at another market. Pretty busy. How are you enjoying it so far?
I like it. I'm hungry.
Me too.
Look at the chickens.
Oh.
I really want a shrimp empanada.
That's what her goal is for today. All that coriander. Right, here comes the meat.
It's all frozen though.
Yeah. She is not having a good time. Oh my god. Right, we've stopped in the market and we've got a free, what was it called? It's like a bread made with pumpkin and God knows what, I can't remember what it is, but it's also got this Chilean salsa thing on top with spices and or cilantro. What's it called in English? Coriander. I know that's English as well, but coriander and other things. Really, really good. Dying for a drink, and I found myself some aloe vera juice, so I'm happy.
And I bought myself some corn
On the cob.
from the local market.
And it costs her like pennies.
Yeah.
Who has about a big well. So it may be something like this, or it may be something under. So most families have some kind of availability, or they know someone who can feed them somewhere.
Surely the slates will run out one.
Okay, so we're at the end of our tour and we're trying teremoiso, which is the name for earthquake. Because apparently these things are lethal and you drink a glass and the floor's moving because you're so drunk. So, we have to try it. Are you ready?
I don't know if I want to do this.
It's got wine, pineapple ice cream, some syrup and some other alcohol. God, it's strong. It's not even just a shot, it's like a bit of a drink. Cheers.
Did you just put some in?
Tu tomas? Tomas?
Oh.
Oh.
That's why she well knows.
You like it? Don't like it?
I don't know why. It tastes like meaty. Like it tastes
think
like
it
a hot
tastes
dog
like-
when I.
No, it tastes like
Everyone have a glass.
tastes like it's thick and
So thank you.
There's got ice cream in it.
So guys, thank you very much.
Okay, well, we're at a shopping centre. I found some leggings, but apparently South America, Chile in particular, doesn't do fabric leggings, so I've just had to get some like kind of workout legging things. I'm still lost in outfit though, because my other leggings are just dead. Jack and Hannah got some socks, and Jack got some headphones, and we're just currently eating, and Hannah's got a story to tell us.
So, I had to go to the bathroom, which is in that direction. And I went in, and I'm pretty sure I knew which one was the women's, because you can tell by the picture. And then just before I entered, there was a little room for mums and babies, like where they change their kids' nappies. So I thought, yeah, I'm definitely going the right direction. Went inside, thought, oh, this is alright, this is quite a nice place. Looked over, and it was what looked like individual urinals and a guy holding his whizzer. And then I stopped and was like, oh my god. And then obviously 3 or 4 guys behind me, like toppled kind of, you know, started walking into me, and then they're like, they had to look at the sign to see if they were in the right bathroom, and then I had to be like, oh no, I'm in the wrong bathroom. Anyway, managed to walk out, embarrassed as anything, go into the female toilets, which are actually an experience. You should go have a look at them.
Really?
They're great. Yeah.
What do you mean?
Like the ladies' like sinks are all in like, I don't know, it's just like it feels like a big powder room. Like you feel like you,
oh really?
And the woman, yeah, you got to go check it out. There's like, I shit, you know, like 50 toilets, and they're all in like glass. They're lovely. It's probably the best toilet break I've ever had.
Highlight of your life.
It's very clean.
I'll go show you.
Yeah.
I'll go show you. Okay, we're going to the toilet. I'm probably.
How did she get confused by that?
So she got confused by that sign being man and that sign being woman. I think there's something wrong with it. I'm probably not allowed to film in here, but I'll just do a quick video. Wow. Oh my god. I feel like I'm in, I don't know where. There's so many mirrors. Shall I go to the toilet while I'm here? Nah, I can't bother to take my dungaree off. So I just spent the last however long looking for leggings, ended up spending 12,000 peso on, and I just found them in Forever 21 for 5,000, so screw you. Oh, it's very bright in here, isn't it, Hannah? Oh, getting even brighter. Oh,
I'm not even going that way.
so bright. I'm a queen as well. Hola, buenas noches. ¿Cómo estás? Me llamo Amy. Stop that. This is our room. We have finished shopping. It only took 4 or 5 hours to find some leggings and some socks. Hannah failed to find a t-shirt that she liked, so we're back at the hostel. We just chilled and watched a movie. What was it called? Elysium. And now we're going to get some burgers, more burgers, because apparently after here the food is going to turn to crap. So we're going to try and eat a good burger, maybe a falafel burger. Maybe I won't get meat, maybe I'll go veggie.
Maybe the food was fine, there just wasn't any potatoes there.
Hang on. So yeah, we're going to get burgers, but otherwise that's tonight. That's today's vlog. We are off to Calamar, to San Pedro. Shut up! We're off to San Pedro, Atacama Desert tomorrow. Our flight's at 7, so we got to leave at like 5 or whatever. So yeah, peace.
I haven't.
So I'm just cleaning my shoes because they're bloody filth. And then we realised Amy had a talent.
Amy is a gremlin.
Hannahaliceee, Schmiegel's master. What does Hannahaliceee wants Schmiegel to do today? Schmeigel will do anything for master, please. Schmeigel will do anything for master, please. I am Russian as well. Schmeigel grows big, woman.